mistake that you can make when you're on a weight loss journey is that you severely restrict calories or severely undereat, and I'll talk about this more in detail as the video progresses. So make sure you watch till the end to find out what it is and why it happens and how it can be detrimental to your journey. Welcome back to Lifestyle Nutrition with Brian Diamond, and this is episode 4 of Document with Diamond. Let's start off with the body stats, and I am at 118.3 kilograms. That's 0.3 kilograms down. Body fat percentage is 34.8. Then BMI is 37.3 down. Chest is the same. Stomach is down. Waist is the same. Neck is down. Left thigh is down. Right thigh is down. Left calf and right calf are also down. Left and right bicep also down. Left and right forearm also down. Everything is going down. And daily night sleep from 35 hours it went to 47 hours. That's great. Then daily protein intake for 1482 grams for the week, also great. And hydration it from 19.5 went to 21. That's amazing. Then daily steps is not as amazing as the highest I've ever done. However, it's 70,178. It's gone up from last week, and it's 47.02 kilometers. And I was in a caloric deficit, and my libido went through the roof. So I was horny every day, and I jerked off every day. Now, coming back to the weight, one might think that, oh my god, I just lost 0.3 kilograms, and that's nothing compared to what I've lost before. However, when you look at this, it's 7.6 kilograms total in the entire month. That's a lot. That's wow. That's amazing. And I will talk about this further. And this is the reason why just measuring your progress by the number on the scale is not a good way to measure it. It's always best to take all these measurements, your body measurements, your body stats, and then check. So my weight went down by 0.3. However, my body stats, everything improved. So I have felt really amazing. I was able to take off my socks and shoes in about 8 seconds, and I was able to count until 7 in the 15-second time of the story on Instagram. So that's pretty cool. That's amazing. I have been sleeping better. If you subscribe to this channel, what you can expect is weekly videos on nutrition, the concepts of nutrition, how weight loss works, the psychology of weight loss, and also tips and tricks on how you can sustain that weight loss. So what are you waiting for? Subscribe. Thank you so much. Let's come back to why it was a huge mistake. I was using the app to track it, MyFitnessPal. I was using that to track it. While tracking it, I made a mistake. You can count it to human error. I'm still human. So I made a mistake. I was adding way too many calories for one food, which I eat every day. That's chicken. I wasn't getting enough calories to support my carbohydrate intake. And I'll make separate videos about carbs and macros in the near future. So you should absolutely not restrict calories to that level. So I've been eating at 517 calories less than my BMR, and I just made a video about BMR. You can find it right here on the card. Now, BMR is something that we need to live, and I was eating way less than that, and that's what most people do, because when they go on a D, the word diet is the bad word, so I just going to say D. When they go on a D, what they do is they restrict calories unknowingly. They do this inadvertently, and then what happens is that they come to a point where they are eating less than their BMR, and when you eat less than your BMR, what happens is your mind plays tricks on you. The devil on your shoulder sits up and gives you all kinds of crazy ideas, and it says, hey,
why don't you eat a pizza or something like that?
That's what it says, and that's how it starts, and from there it goes into a vicious cycle. For me at least, that's how it works. When I binge, when I eat a pizza, and I just start eating like a lot, and this is because you've been restricting calories so much. Your body wants to survive, your body wants to live, your body's first priority is to keep you alive, so it will make you eat more. Your hunger hormone increases, the level of ghrelin, that's your hunger hormone, that increases in your body, and then you get really hungry and you keep eating, and it's a vicious cycle, and that's how you gain back all the weight. weight. So that's why crash diets, fad diets, and all of these calorie restrictive diets where you restrict calories to a dangerous amount is very detrimental to your weight loss journey. So that's pretty much it about it. If you've reached this far in the video, I would really appreciate it if you hit like, subscribe, and comment down below the word dangerous so that I know you paid attention. I would really appreciate that. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.